How to make group chat on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of the Messenger application over here. So let's just search for Messenger application over here and see if we have an updated version. So as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So we're going to tap on open, and as you tap on open over here, it will land us to our Messenger application. So just make sure you are logged into your account. Now if you want to make a group chat, simply tap on this pencil icon at the top of the screen over here. As you do that, here you can see the option of group chat. So tap on group chat, and here you can just select people over here that you would want to add. And as you do that, here you'll be able to create your group account over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.